This video gonna show you how to program a spell key for Porsche. The operation of L key and O key loss are the same. You can click Help to check connection information. First of all, we need to remove the BCM module of the vehicle. BCM module is under the steering wheel. Now let's check all the stuff we need. We're gonna need BCM module, 20-pin cable, BCM copper pillar, BCM interface board, a new blank key, OBP ICP adapter, BLV key adapter, ACDP host. Install the copper pillar. The short copper pillar is under the button, and the long copper pillar is on the top. Align D1 to D4 test points. As long as the 4 test points are aligned, then all the test points are aligned. Lock the board with long copper pillar. There are 2 packages of crystal oscillator, ceramic package and the metal package. EST1 short circuit for ceramic package crystal oscillator. EST2 short circuit for metal package crystal oscillator. Connect the OBP ICP adapter and the BCM interface board. Then connect the ACDP host. Power the ACDP host. Open Mini ACDP app. Choose Porsche. Choose New Porsche Add Key or Lost. Choose ICP IMNO. It's always good to click Help. You can find out where the mask ID is. Then select option based on mask ID. My trip's mask ID is 5N4AH. I'm gonna choose the second one. Choose Add Key Auto Mode. It's really important to check the crystal oscillator package of BCM module. ESC1 short circuit for ceramic package crystal oscillator. ESC2 short circuit for metal package crystal oscillator. Pin detection pass. If the detection fails, please check and clean the test points. Click Continue. Please confirm whether the select model is the same as the actual model. Please save the p/date file. Please save the original EEPROM date file. Please save the original D/date. Check the INNO information. First, disconnect the OBP ICP adapter and the ACDP host. Second, connect the ACDP host and the BLV key adapter. And last, put the new key in the BLV key adapter. Check key ID. Click OK. Choose the unoccupied key channel displayed as FF. Save the D/date after adding a new key. That's the new D/date store root. Disconnect the BLV key adapter. Connect the OBP ICP adapter and the ACDP host again. Pin detection passed. If the detection fails, please check and clean the test point. Check the new INNO information. Adding key complete. Please install the BCM module back to the vehicle to confirm that the new key can be used normally. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.